box, there's iPhone 17.
Careful of your hands. Fingers. Naro ba yung speaker pagka-pin?
Bale.
Speaker pagka-pin.
Look, I just took this out. Even the bottom one.
Yeah. Mahal din ni sila.
Let me. Whoa! This is a charger. Charging point. Guys, look.
Look at.
They already put it.
Gibutangan na. Nag-casing na. Mahal na nga casing. Di na Lazada.
Mommy, Nico, you
iPhone.
should get the iPhone 18. It's coming out already. They're still making the iPhone 7, Mama, 18. Can we feel this? What's that? Yay!
This is for you. Mananing, kung ano, butangan na. Nagbagong.
We even got this.
Yeah.
Time we're gonna open another one. Wait, guys. Free! My sister's little. That's not hers, you know. Hey, baby. Totally flip! Do you know what's Anya saying? Tata, do you know what's Anya saying? Tata! Anya's doing this, Tata! Hey, babe.
Oh, pare kong fruit.
Hey.
Saging. Kami
You know that we're not allowed to do
Kami sa
romantic
banang kuan
things.
mapongkan.
It's so...
Kamu sa uli mo ron ma? Wala na pada si Aya. Katong injection.
Wait, I'm gonna get the scissors. Bachika. I almost broke it. Hi, bestie. How are you doing? My bestie. I forgot what's sweet. Mara Luisa. Ow. Her name is Tali. I already took off mine. You're covering the camera. Guys, we don't know how to edit, guys, so please don't bully us. I know how to edit. I don't. Can you teach me how? Okay. And bye, guys. No, it's not yet. Okay. We're gonna show them how to. We're gonna do ASMR first. She doesn't have to edit, but she's a YouTuber. Her name is Nika Marsana. Don't tell them, they're gonna search up. Just kidding. Her name is Michaela. Her name is Michaela, not Nika. That's our cousin's name. Yeah. It's so good. The charger. I don't like the iPhone 18 if it's gonna come out. It's chocolate. Get it. I was gonna eat it. Well, when you go getting that instead of green, I already got my hands on the iPhone. You like? Hey.
Sakto lang t-shirt ko.
Oh, sakto rin ako ba?
Oh, hey! ASMR. We don't have a mic to do ASMR. Yeah. Bye, guys. Bye.